A snowstorm can cause major challenges, especially to your home and the system it relies on. Blocked plumbing vents, blocked ridge vents on the roof, tree damage, concrete and walkways, solar panels, combustion and exhaust air, mechanical vents. Be sure to keep an eye out for these potential issues during and after a snowstorm. If you notice any of these and have concerns, feel free to give us a call and we'll have a professional come out and do a thorough inspection.